Litigation Frederick list on such and such 4011 case there pertaining to Suksar police station case number 41 oblique 2007. As this application in expert as arisen out of October 2012, the petitioner tells a copy of this application to the public prosecutor Assam, Guwahati High Court, Guwahati, through the registry of this court. By tomorrow, I get to obtaining necessary acknowledgement in regard to thereafter. The public prosecutor, some through the officer in charge of Suksar PS, case number, Suksar PS, Suksar police station, serve a copy of this application on the informant respondent number 2, obtaining necessary acknowledgement from him with regard to service of notice of this application. On 19th fixes the officer in charge of Tuksar police station through the public prosecutor Assam shall apprise the court about the status of serving notice of this application. The informant respondent number 2. Let's record it.
May please, Your Lordship. It's an anticipatory bail petition, my lord. FIR is at page number 14, my lord. And the contents is started from 15, my lord. There are 4 accused, my lord, and section 3082, 126, 324, 4, 352, 351, 2, 61, 2 of BNS and 67 of IPX has been incorporated. So far, the BNS is concerned only 308. 2, my lord, section 3082 is the non-bailable, my lord. And other word allegation is that poor person has destroyed the road, my lord. And there are allegations of insulting the informant. Informant is the contractor, my lord, of the road, and in very poor manner, my lord.
Yes, which state?
Lordship, it's from Mankachar, South Sanmar.
But the interim protection may be given because, my lord,
We can try it on 13, Lordship.
because it is practically impossible to destroy the road in a manner. I have annexed the photos of the road, my lord. Because of the flood, my lord, the road was destroyed and our houses are flooded, my lord. For which there is an agitation on 4th of October, my lord. And there is a Facebook Live also. Because of that, the contractor who is the informant, my lord, lost the FIR against us to save himself only, my lord. And out of the old and the punishment is of 7 years, my lord, and below 7 years. And no notice has been issued to us, my lord, by the investigating officer, my lord. And they are now raiding our houses, my lord. The interim protection may be given, my lord. We will appear before the IO, my lord. And 2 of the accused has already been granted interim protection. I have annexed the order, my lord.
Might not be on the same footing, Lordship.
Maya Hussain for the petitioner. Such and such. And it is placed on 11/11/2024. Along with AB 276720. Call for the case very pertaining to. Right. Mankacha PS case number 198/202. And list on such and such along with AB number. Till then page number 20. Not for us, it's para 60. Appear before. That is 10 days of settle. On or appear before second. 2nd of November. Sorry, 2nd of November.
The interim profession, my lord.
Yes, you appear before the honor before second.
And your blessing, my lord.
11
Not fixed, sir. Okay.
For admission, item number 15.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, in this case, I am seeking some accommodation for today. On the last occasion, MS U Sharma was directed to go through the reports and advance our argument. Lordship is having some medical urgency. That is why we are seeking some accommodation for today, Lordship. Lordship may have it just after vacation.
7th.
Lordship, obliged.
Deeply obliged. Such non-comment put it up. Yeah, there you go. List on sir.
Okay, regarding item number 16.
Yeah, please, your lordship. The 413 on application, lordship. Issued behind by agenda to lordship 172 days, lordship. And this is assisted case, lordship. And assets submitted under section 366 of IPC and reduce section 4 of POCSO Act, lordship. FR page 8, lordship. The love affairs, lordship, both the victim and the petitioner love each other, lordship. Thereafter they live at the honors, lordship. LCR was called for, lord. And we have already taken a step also, so.
Thank you. Heard.
B Islam Lordship.
Counsel for the petition.
K.K.
And Mr. K.K. Das. Learned Additional Public Prosecutor. By this application under section 439(2024), sorry, 439 CRPC. The petitioner, namely Muhammad Janat Islam, son of such and such, resident of village such and such, under Ralu Police Station, District Lakhimpur, has prayed for his bail in special Union Pocket POXO, case number 64/2024, arising out of Laluk Police Station, case number 69/2024. Is 60, under section 366 IPC, reviewed section 4 of the POCSO Act, corresponding to GR case number 337/2024, wherein he was arrested on 10/05/2024 and in custody since. As per the FIR of the case dated 09/05/2024, lodged by the informant slash complaining father of the minor victim, that on 06/05/2024, when his minor daughter around 8:30 in the morning, a minor daughter of 16 years old, proceeded towards her school and did not return. On making much inquiry, came to know that the accused petitioner induced his minor daughter and took away with him. After making lots of inquiry, they could come to know. They came to know, they came to know that the accused petitioner took her to Arunachal Pradesh, confined her there. As such, they proceeded to the relevant place, recovered both his minor daughter and the accused petitioner, and produced them before the Laluk police station. Accordingly, the said affair of the petitioner of the informant was registered as Laluk Police Station case number 69/2024 under section 366 IPC. Later, on the request of the officer in charge of said Laluk Police Station, sorry, of the concerned investigating of the case, on the request of the concerned the additional chief judicial magistrate Lakhimpur, by its order dated 16/05/2024, passed in said GR case number 337/2024 arising out of Laluk case number 69/2024, added section 4 of the PSCS Act. It is seen that the victim, minor victim, is of 16 years old. We have perused the statement of the minor victim recorded under section 164 CRPC by the learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Lakhimpur on 10/05/2024, as well as our statement made before the concerned investigating officer, the section of 161 CRPC.
120.
Also peruse the medical report of the victim. Medical examination report of the victim. Of the Lakhimpur Medical College Hospital, not Lakhimpur, dated 9/09/05/2024. Police, after completion of the investigation of the case, on 31/05/2024, submitted the charge sheet and said Laluk case number such and such. By charge sheet number. Police only লিখতে তো এটা আগে বাদ দিল একে বলে পুলিশ সাথে চার্জ শিট দিছিল বাই চার্জ শিট নাম্বার 62/2024 dated 31/05/2022 against the petition finding sufficient materials. Finding sufficient materials. Sir, under section 366 IPC, reading section 4 of the PSU. From the records of the case that was called for by order dated 19/08/2024. It is also seen that the search sheet contains 6 prosecution witnesses. Search sheet of 6 cases. Charge have been framed
Lordship.
when
Lordship, I check in e-court. Now, next date it fixed for evidence, Lordship.
the search sheet was framed.
But, I am not exactly sure, Lordship. I throw in check, e-court, Lordship, it is shown in evidence stage, Lordship. That may be, yes, I submit the frame, I think. The record is full, whether
Not required. When is the next date?
next day, Lordship. 9/10,
9/11,
9/10, Lordship.
9/10.
Next day is not update, Lordship, now. 9/10, earlier date was 9/10, thereafter not update, Lordship.
19 for evidence.
Evidence, Lordship. Production of accused and
What was the previous date?
previous date, Lordship. 25/9, Lordship.
What order was first?
Short order, Lordship, fixed for a production and evidence, Lordship.
And even when, can say checking that for idea. This number. Charge under section 366 IPC review section 4 of the NPO, so it has been framed. And the matter is pending before the Court of Learned Special Despot, so Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur. For recording of evidence of prosecution. Considering the materials, the court is of the view that detention of the petitioner since 10/05/2024 cannot be considered for his bail in such and such. At this stage, as the evidence of the minor victim, comma, the informant, concerned medical officer, and the IO of the case are yet to be recorded. According to his bail application of the petitioner, named both in say and the body of POCSO case number such and such arising out of law stands rejected at this stage.
Not a.
May I please, your lordship? Later may be taken up at 2 p.m.
Today it is difficult to rise early.
Lordship, otherwise, report was sought for, whether notice is served upon respondent number 2 or not. So that is duly served, Lordship. That is on, informant is appeared. Lordship.
I have not submitted the Okalatnama, your lordship. As far information supplied by the informant that he received the notice on last night, 10 PM, and called me over mobile phone to appear here.
It was received on 28/10/2024.
Yesterday.
What's your good name?
An actor.
An actor for the petition. And method. Yes, Rana, right? What's your name?
A.R. Karim, your lordship.
On instruction, Mr. A.R. Karim, Learned Counsel has entered appearance on behalf of the informant as well. Who is yet to file his. Correct. On 8,
Lordship.
On extra copy may kindly.
petitioner says I'll serve an extra copy of this bill application to Mr. Karim on or before court, obtaining necessary acknowledgement. You are fixing on 8. Let's file your Okalatnama.
Oblige, your lordship.
Obliged.
That we will also. Procedure for technical application, my lord, petition is behind the bar is 48 days, my lord, today. And the petition number 2 is a woman, my lord, and
But there is a direction for taking instruction for the service mail. We have tried mail, but not yet given mail by the district police mail.
last occasion, my lord, I have informed your lordship, my lord, and the petition number 2 it fell down in the jail, my lord, from the stairs, my lord, and that is why her leg has been broken, my lord. And she is suffering from my lord. And although her leg has been plastered by the James Gates, my lord. She is a woman, my lord, and the section POCSO and rape must be attached against her.
As per 183 statement, my lord, there are materials against petition number 1, my lord. He has been implicated, my lord.
Petition number 2. Hey, Roper, why? I told you, what to do.
When he was arrested,
12/9, my lord.
heard Mr. K. Mubarak, counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. K. Parasol, and additional public prosecutor. Office note dated 25/10/2024 reflects that the informant respondent number 2, opposite for informant, opposite party, that's respondent number 2, have received the notice in 14/10/2024. However, the informant respondent has not yet appeared in the matter. In view of the above, MS Debosri Soikia. Yes, ma'am, please come forward. Under the mic story. Down to the notification number 23. They have been appointed as a person for the moment. Registry shall serve a copy of this vehicle application. May such and such by tomorrow appearing necessary. Extra. List on 8.
18.
We'll have it on 8
Deeply obliged.
Lordship
or
petition,
on 7th. We'll have it. Well, 7th.
7.
Lordship
Registry
petition,
shall reflect the name of such and such in the cause list.
Lordship, at this time, petition number 2 may be considered, my lord. And this is the woman,
See, she has to,
Lordship.
you know very well.
And her leg has been broken, my lord, in the
Head of, on 7
jail, my lord. No one is carrying him.
for the informant respondent number 2 in the cause. Amicus curiae. On the said date, Mr. Parasol and additional public prosecutor shall produce the relevant case diary along with the medical report of the petitioner number 2, who is in the Borpeta jail.
No, my lord, come. Guwahati, my lord.
Guwahati jail.
who is presently in the central jail at Guwahati. Is made clear that the jail authorities shall provide appropriate medical facilities to the petitioner number 2 suffering from fractures in her leg.
Obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please your lordship? So 19 and 20 lordship arising out of same affair. Can this?
My lord, this case has been transferred to CBI, my lord.
Have you received a
Yes, Marshallpur, my lord, yes. Marshallpur 102, my lord, yes, in the list.
Lordship,
Musalpur 1022024?
Yes, Lordship. 102, 2024 has been transferred to CBI, Lordship, and has been remembered as RC case number. It has been registered. Let them furnish a copy to us, Lordship.
Lordship, kindly first see the FIR, whether this FIR lordship can be the basis of lordship case registering under section under lordship banning of lordship unregulated deposit scheme.
Consider on the next date, Mr. Kulita.
Already 45 days lordship behind the bar and no allegation against this petitioner lordship. There is some personal lordship allegation against this one Manu Brahma and not this petitioner lordship.
We'll come to know only when the records are before us.
That's true, but lordship, this the FIR doesn't say lordship there is
Yes,
a case.
Mr. Halu, we will have it on 7th or 8th.
7,
7.
8, let it be on 8.
Heard Mr. J. Colita, counsel for the petition,
Okay, sir.
and Mr. K. Parasol, and additional public prosecutor. On instruction, Mr. Parasol submitted that Musalpur Police Station case number 102/2024 has already been handed over, have been transferred to the CBI. 124 to be section. Mr. M. Halloy, standing counsel CBI. Appeared in this matter. Petitioner shall serve an extra copy of this bill application to Mr. M. Halloy, standing counsel CBI, by tomorrow, obtaining necessary acknowledgement. List on 8. Registry shall reflect the name of Mr. M. Halloy, standing counsel CBI, under the respondent column against this item. List on 8, enabling Mr. Thakur to place the up-to-date case diary pertaining to Musalpur PS case number 102 of registered.
Lordship,
Same 20 same.
Same order. Akiva. Ali. List along which BA number 2963/2024 on 8/11.
okay, I have small prayer, which is at item number 42, it has been fixed by tomorrow. Lordship. It is difficult for us to file the reply. Let it be come on 4th, Lordship. All these 3 cases. 42, 43 and
42, I think so the period will be 60 days will be over by tomorrow.
60 days will be over by 3rd of,
In that case,
but
not possible.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship?
You are appearing?
17 years, 8 months.
Lordship, here the petitioner was arrested on 29/8/2024, Lordship. Today is 62 days, Lordship. FIR, Lordship, is at page number 16, 16.
Heard Mr. M. Ahmed, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. K. Parasol, and additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Also heard Mr. J. Alam, counsel for the informant respondent number two. Yes.
My lord, yes, she was, her
Also
date of birth is
details-
one
also
one.
details. Also-
My lord, my lord, my lord. Date of birth is 117. Is 17 years, 8 months, my lord, she was taken to Chennai.
There are another case diary because it says that on the case diary was sent to the public prosecutor on 18/9. Aburra. Sharma. The Parasara property.
My lord, we received the case diary on 20, my lord, 2010.
Okay. Give it to us.
2010. आगे उनके था। Yes, Mr. Professor, what do you have to say? But she's a minor malad, as part of Oxford malad, 17 years, 8 months, and she was taken to malad.
Madam may be taken after some.
I'm sorry, malad, 6 times we have sent signal to the Gauripur PS, but still that no instruction malad, why CD not sent, and CD has been not been sent, malad. Last order was of 26/9.
Yes, Chaudhary.
Mr. A. Student, Council appearing for. When did the petitioner appear before the IO?
Lordship and there is also Lordship matter interim, already there is interim.
Pursuant to the order of the court dated 26/04/2024, when did the petitioner appear before the IO? On which date?
Lordship matter may be taken after some time about senior S. Dash will appear.
Don't know the date.
Lekha such and such for the petitioner. And Mr. K. Palasol and additional public prosecutor Assam. For the state. The court by order dated 26/04/2024. While granting interim bail to the petitioner, namely Nausad Ali alias Nausad Ali, in Gauripur Police Station case number 69/2024 under sections 120-B/420/384/387 IPC. Read with section 7 capital C, within bracket 2, bracket close of the Assam Money Lenders Union bracket Amendment Act 1968 corresponding to GN number 223/2024. Call for the case diary. Interim bill লিখেছে না হয় in thousand cuts with certain conditions. Multiple call for the cost CALL for the case diary. Fixing the matter. After 3 weeks. Thereafter, on 10/06/2024, 29/07/2024, 22/08/2024, 09/09/2024, and 26/09/2024. The learned additional public prosecutor for the state. Prayed for time to place the case diary of said Gauripur PS case number 69/2024. Accordingly, matter was listed today as fixed on 26/09/2024, as it was fixed by order dated 26/09. And that the petitioner is on interim bail in said Gauripur PS case since 26/04/20. Today, Mr. Parasol, an additional public prosecutor, again prayed for time to place the relevant case there. On being inquired, Mr. Parasol submitted that on 6 occasions, requisition was made for the relevant case diary, which is yet to be placed with the public prosecutor, Assam. List on eight 11/2024 for production of the up-to-date case diary pertaining to Gauripur PS case number 69/2024. And on the said date at 10:30 AM, the investigating officer of said Gauripur PS case number 69/2024 shall personally remain present before the court. Explaining as to why appropriate action should not be initiated against him. Since he is obstructing the adjudication of this matter by not producing the relevant case diary or copy of the up-to-date case diary. in spite of the orders, several orders of the court since 26/04/2024. Till then, the petition, till then the two petitioner shall remain on interim bail in safe in pursuance to the order of the court dated 26/04. List accordingly on copy of this order for this necessary.
May I please, your lordship? But page 13 is the FIR.
It is seen that in spite of receipt. You have been appointed?
Yes, yes.
For respond number 2.
Yes, what is there in the case there?
My lord, prisoner's case is that, my lord, there is a, my lord, conflict in the name, my lord. He is not the present person, my lord.
Hmm.
But to that effect, my lord, as per the statement of the girl, my lord, he took the name, my lord, that earlier it had that Al Mahmud, but it is Mamadul. Boli janaiছিল. Now, my lord, IO has given a bail objection, giving details that the arrested accused person, earlier the accused person's name is Mahmudul Hussain. In the FIR during investigation, it was got known that the original name of the accused person is Ahmad Ali. So Ahmad Ali is the petitioner, present petitioner. And in the statement, Malak, he has been implicated. He has been implicated, Malak, by the 15, Malak, 164 statement, Malak. And girl is around 14 years old, Malak.
Yes, please give.
My lord, so far my instruction is concerned, my lord, victims already got married. So that aspect may be, my lord, ascertained by the, my lord, prosecution, my lord. Finally, they may be asked.
Married whom?
Sorry, my lord.
Married whom?
Married to someone, my lord. Not to the, my lord, petitioner.
Not a,
Heard Mr. K. Rahman, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. K. K. Parasul, an additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Also heard MS Sekia, amicus curiae for the informant. Opposite party number 2. Petitioner namely Ahmed Ali alias Ahmad Ali, son of Habibur Rahman, resident of Istar Par village under Dhubri police station, has filed this application under section 438 CRPC. Apprehending his arrest. Praying for praying for his period bail. Apprehending his arrest in Dhubri police station case number 115/2024 under section 376 within bracket 3 of the 3 of the IPC, reading section 6 of the GOCS Act corresponding to GR case number 377/2022. It is contended by the petitioner that he is nowhere connected with the case. Neither connected really. He is neither connected with the case, nor the FIR named accused person. As per the FNM accused is one Mamadul Hussain, son of Habib Gur Ali, resident of Dubir Par, DUBIR. It is also stated as he is not the concerned accused person mentioned in the FIR related to, say, WPS case number such and such. He is entitled for his pre-arrest bail. Full stop. As per the FIR dated 10/04/2024, lodged by the informant opposite party number 2 before the officer in charge of Dhupudi police station, is that the informant, because of her service, lives at Bongaigaon, and her minor daughter resides with her grandmother at Dubirpur, who is of 14 years old and studying at class 8. About 4 days back, her sister informed her over phone that her daughter, minor daughter, is suffering from intestinal pain first. When she inquired from her minor daughter, she informed her, the informant, that one Mamadul Hussain, son of Habibur Ali, made her his sister and used to come to their house, and further he used to ferry her in his Toto, put in back a tree e-rickshaw, in his e-rickshaw, to and fro from the school. In that way, inducing her, the accused person, Mamadul Hussain, had sexual relation with her minor daughter. Coming to know about the same, the informant took her minor daughter. Informant came from Bongaigaon and took her minor daughter to Dhaligaon Sirang Polyclinic, wherein sonography of her intestine was made, and then came to know that her minor daughter was impregnated by the accused person, and she is about 5 months pregnant. In the said FIR, lost by the informant respond opposite party number 2. The mobile number of the concerned accused person was also given. Where is the case diary placed before the court today by Mr. Parasol and additional public prosecutor? Case diary indicates it is the present petitioner who is the concerned person used to flicker and used to recover, and the mobile number given in the FIR was used by him regularly, who also used to drive e-rickshaw at Dubilpur area. The investigating officer, the statement of the acquainted persons of the facts of the case recorded by the concerned investigating officer indicated the petition as Mamadul Hussain alias Ahmad Ali, son of Habibur Ali, resident of Pistapur in the Dhubri police station of district Dhubri. It is seen that the date of birth of the petitioner is 02/08/2009 as per her original birth certificate issued by the registrar of birth and death, Dharamsala PHC, issued on 18/08/2009, white registration number 3901/09. The victim will লিখিত তো minor victim. Peruse the 161 CFPC statement recorded by the concerned investigating of the victim, minor victim, recorded by the concerned investigating officer, as well as her statement under section 164 CRPC dated 12/04/2024, recorded by the judicial magistrate first class to pay. Medical report of the victim dated 15/04/2024, issued by the Dhubri Medical College Hospital, authorities of Dhubri Medical College Hospital. Indicates that the minor victim is pregnant. carrying two futures of more than 16 weeks. As the case diary indicates, sufficient incriminating materials against the petitioner with regard to his involvement in the alleged crime. The court is of the view that it's not efficacious to grant PRS bail to the petitioner such and such. Inside Dhubri PS case number 115/2024. Petitioner named above accordingly to this bail petitioner. Inside Dhubri tax rejected, return back accepted. Later. The
Obliged.
Legal Service Authority of the State of the Guwahati High Court shall pay the remuneration to Miss Cycle and Amicus Curie for the appearing for the opposite party number 2 informant on raising a bill.
Sorry, Malcolm, number earlier case, Malcolm. She gets no security, Malcolm, personal case. Just now we got the information that long back suspended is on 29 for, but no instruction till that this now only given that number.
From where you have got the information?
Malak from our office, Malak he receives us now. I have confirmed that.
Get that information.
WhatsApp message just 2:15 Malak. I have discussion Malak. ROC just forwarded it. And Malak in today, but so it's now only
And that instruction has come to whom?
to our office clerk, because I have telephonically asked him that why he is not today. And he again contacted the police, and now only at 2:15 he got the instruction. Malak.
Doesn't matter, let him come.
Malak.
86.
May I please your lordship? My lord, the allegation is 376 and FOXO, my lord, section 9 of FOXO. So, my lord, I have taken steps twice, and my learned friend was supposed to, my lord, send the message to the victim, my lord, so that she can appear. Till she did not appear, not responded, my lord. And then, my lord, so, my lord, the proper information may be sent for the OC, my lord, concerned, my lord, the victim.
Yes, tell us.
My lord, if your lordship is inclined to hear, my lord, on merit, my lord, I have some submission, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, first of all, my lord, I have mentioned the main defense plea in paragraph 4 of my petition. That the petitioner begs to state that the informant GP secretary is a very much corrupted person and in connivance with the elected president of Gamaria Gao Panchayat and some elected ward members has misappropriated a huge amount of money from several developmental schemes of the government meant for Gamaria Gao Panchayat area. The only village road of Gamaria village against which so and so amount only was sanctioned in the financial year 2021 for construction and development of Gamaria village road with SEC block topping. But doing only some earthwork, entire amount is misappropriated. Against that misappropriation, the complaint petition was filed to the block development officer Ramkrishnanagar development block by the villagers of Gamaria village led by the bail applicant. The informant elected GP president and some other ward members created heavy pressure upon the bail applicant and some other persons of the village to withdraw the complaint and or not to pursue the complaint, to which the complaining villagers led by the present bail applicant refused to do so. The informant and the president of the Gao Panchayat declared to take revenge upon the bail applicant and others, saying that there will be total lesson. Next, my lord, that the petitioner begs to state that at the time of filing of this instant FIR, there was a statewide drive by the government and hundreds of such cases was registered throughout the state of Assam, and in almost all such cases, bail was granted by this honorable court. Taking this as a chance, the informant in connivance with the Panchayat president filed the FIR against the bail applicant as a revenge against the complainant filed to the BDO Ramkrishnanagar against gross misappropriation of Panchayat funds against the informant GP secretary and the president as aforesaid. That the petitioner begs to state that the informant, even the investigation officer of the case, has failed to mention the date and time of the alleged child marriage, even after completion of the investigation, which goes to show that the allegation in the FIR and in the charge sheet is false and motivated. That the petitioner begs to state that the investigation officer of the case met the bail applicant several times before filing the charge sheet at Gamaria Bazar and had told the bail applicant that under certain circumstances and under some pressure, he has mistakenly arrested and then forwarded father of the bail applicant, namely Asabuddin, who is the charge sheeted accused number 2, and never asked him to appear in the police station in this connection. The IO of the case very much aware of the actual truth of the case and even never made any phone call to the bail applicant to appear before him or in the police station. The father of the bail applicant was called to police station on 4/2/23, and on appearance there at the police station, he was arrested and was forwarded to judicial custody by the police on 4/2/23, who was later on granted bail by the court below. My lord, then my lord kindly turn to the FIR page at 15, my lord.
Just 1 minute. Mr. Das.
Lordship. Lordship, at the time of when the FIR was lodged, Lordship, she was 17 years old.
Hmm.
Moreover, she
But even in this case, somebody was arrested.
Yes, my lord, his father was arrested. And was granted bail thereafter, my lord. No remand was made, my lord, on the seeing the CD, my lord. Was granted bail, my lord. My lord, may I please your lordship one thing? My lord, kindly have a look at the FIR itself, my lord. It is a format, my lord, made and prepared and filed against whoever they likes. It is a format, my lord, only entering the inserting the name and address, my lord. Only. It is a format, my lord, FIR. Number 1, my lord. Number 2, your lordship will be astonished to see page 24. This such a thing is happening, my lord, in the hands of police, my lord. Kindly have a look the forwarding report, page 24. Arrested in one case, but saying in another case. Arrested in the victim Reshma, saying that, but they have saying arrested in the marriage with Pooja Das. Arrested in my lord on the basis of the information Indranil Chakraborty, and now they are saying that here they are saying that it is on the Biswajit Das. This is the casual approach, my lord, because they are very poor local people, my lord, illiterate, semi-literate, they do not know. So anything and they are doing, my lord, with the my lord. Kindly have a look at page 24, and your lordship will find how casual approach the police is making with this, my lord. Victim is Reshma Begum, arrested in case of Pooja Das. Informant is Indranil Chakraborty, but arrested in informant's cases Biswajit Das. From this thing, your lordship can infer, my lord, what is happening. And it is not that I am unwilling to appear in the court. I am willing, my lord. I have categorically made statement that I am willing to appear. I went to the senior lawyers therein. All are saying such a serious allegation, you have first remain in jail, then only you can appear, ask for bail. There is no chance of getting bail on being surrendering. You have to stay some time in jail. Then, my lord, there is no document. Kindly see the, my lord, annexer document to in regard of the, my lord, age of the my lord victim girl, so called, my lord, age. Kindly see the page 20, my lord, the last my lord, column number 21, list of enclosure. Page 20, my lord, of my petition. No document to the in regard of age is submitted, my lord. even the learned trial court granted interim 437 bail, my lord, because of these materials, my lord, manufactured materials, my lord. 437 interim, my lord, granted, my lord. They are married couples, my lord. Married couple, they are living, my lord, happily, but all these have been created, my lord. After long investigation, the police could not even ascertain the date and time of the occurrence.
Yes, Mr. Das, welcome. You have ascertained the age of the victim.
Lordship, in the charge sheet itself, it is stated that the one Xerox copy of school certificate of the victim girl, Lordship.
But is it available? Whether it has been annexed to the,
My lord, as per list of enclosure before your lordship, page 20, my lord. There is nothing like this.
In page 20, Lordship, one Xerox copy is there. List of
that's by the
articles.
petitioner.
Petition, Lordship, page 20. It's
By
stated here,
the
Lordship.
petitioner, that's why we're asking you. When did you marry the victim?
My lord, exact date I have not taken instruction, but before around 1 year back. My lord, kindly turn to page 8, my lord, of my petition, my lord. Sorry, page 6, paragraph 8. Assuming that she is underage, for the sake of argument, my lord, that as per Mohammedan law, more particularly as per section 8(1) of the Assam Muslim Marriages and Divorce Registration Act 1935, as amended in 2010, as well as Rule 26(1) of the Assam Muslim Marriages and Divorce Registration Rules 235. Marriage of Mohammedan law under 18 is not prohibited, and
What
on
is the
that
law laid
ground,
down in this regard by the Honorable Apex Court?
my lord,
In these circumstances, which will prevail? The POXO Act will prevail or something else will prevail?
my lord, on this ground also
Tell us.
earlier,
What is the law laid down? Whether the
My lord,
POXO Act will prevail or it was the this kind of provisions will the most Mohammedan law will prevail?
my lord, special act may prevail, my lord.
And when the special act came into force?
No, my lord.
When did the special act come into force?
Special later on, my lord.
When?
So in 2006, perhaps, my lord.
12.
12, my lord, 2012, my lord.
And so when did you marry? That's the reason we're asking it.
Yes, my lord. It is just 1 year before the my FIR, my lord. Not, she is not a child, my lord. It is incorrect, my lord. Till I'm just mentioned that if assuming that this was going on, this law was not deleted. Now it is deleted, Your Honor.
What is
Sorry,
the date of birth of the
rebuilt,
victim?
my lord.
Since you are the husband, what is the date of birth of the victim?
My lord,
What is the date of birth of the victim?
my lord, the document I could not obtain, my lord. Not taking the instruction, my lord. Document is the police has taken the document, my lord, but I cannot exactly say that date of birth, my lord. But to our knowledge, she's 18 plus, my lord, when she was married. Only it is out of this grudge and, my lord, revenge, it is filed in a format petition.
That is your allegation, right?
My lord, the approach, kindly see the page 24, my lord. Your lordship will my lord, see how they are doing these things, my lord. Kindly turn to page 20, my lord, page 24, your lordship. What they are saying in the FIR, what they are saying in the forwarding report, kindly see. Anyway, to implicate and to serve their purpose. Kindly see the informant is actually Indranil Chakraborty, but with reference to subject this forwarding report, Your Honor. With respect to the above, I would like to inform you that an FIR was received from Biswajit Das, kindly see, who is the GP Secretary of Gamaria Gram Panchayat, at alleging one Kayadul Hussain, son of so-and-so, Gamaria, PS Arkanagorov had involved himself in child marriage with Pooja Das. Where is from Pooja Das? Where is Biswajit, my lord? Where from this name has come, my lord? My learned PP may explain, my lord. And it is not that, my lord, I am escaping and running away from the trial, my lord. I am willing to appear. I am willing to face, my lord. Only that, my lord, I may be granted bail. I will appear in the trial, my lord. I have gone to the court, trial court to appear, my lord. All are saying that no, if you appear, you have to stay in jail. Rightly or wrongly, this is later on. I have mentioned categorical statement, my lord, in my petition, my lord. In paragraph 13, my lord, and paragraph 12, my lord. 12 and 13, my lord. No summon is served upon me. Only when warrant is done, because after warrant, only police can serve their purpose, my lord. That's why they went only after the warrant being issued. Then I came to know about it, well, my lord, and then immediately I went to the court to appear. But the senior lawyers, I consulted, my lord, many senior lawyers, all said that you have to stay anyhow. Right or wrong, it is later. Only for that, before your lordship. Only for that protection, I will appear, I will face.
Yes, Mr. Das, you were saying 15 page where? Which page is the date of birth? Yes. Search it where?
Page 20, Lord.
My lord, if they found really she's underage, why they have not submitted with the enclosures, my lord? Why they are keeping it with themselves and with the Malhana, my lord? Other
Mr.
documents are submitted.
AK Talukder, consider appearing for the petition. And Mr. KK Das, and additional public prosecutor, appearing for the state opposite party number 1. Also heard MSRB for rule. You are appearing as amicus or appearing for? For the victim opposite party number 2. By disapplication under section 438 CRPC. The petitioner namely Fayadul Hussain. Rejected. Interim order, interim bill recalled.
Okay,